All right, so we know what a polygon is. But what if I told you there are different types of polygons? So one way that we can tell what different types of polygons are is by looking at their diagonals. So the diagonal of a polygon is the line segment that connects two non-consecutive vertices. Okay, so remember, consecutive vertices are the ones right next to each other, right? Non-consecutive, so these are two consecutive. Non-consecutive vertices would then be one that is not next to each other. So this is an example of a non-consecutive vertice. This is also an example of a non-consecutive vertice. Triangles actually don't have non-consecutive vertices because there's a line both directions, right? Okay, so these are two different groups. These polygons are called convex polygons. Right? And these are called concave polygons. Okay, so those are our two types of different polygons. What is the difference? So you might notice that these kind of like go in on each other, so they like somehow cave in. They cave in. Right? So what happens here is this and this, are consecutive or non-consecutive vertices. This and this are also a non-consecutive vertice. Right? If you're drawing these non-consecutive vertices, you have so many that just kind of go outside of this area. I mean, you have some that are still inside, but you have all these different types over here. When you go to your non-consecutive vertices, they are all, every one that you draw. And I want you to look at this and play along with this. Try to find one that doesn't work. But you'll find that the definition of a convex polygon is that all the diagonals are inside the polygon. All the diagonals are inside. For concave, at least one. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, however many, but at least one diagonal is outside the polygon. So when I drew this one and this, that was outside the polygon, and now I have too many lines going and it's getting kind of hard to see. So if you want to, go back and look at before I drew so many lines. This one was outside of the polygon. This is the inside of the polygon, right? This line and this line are both outside. So they're diagonals outside of the polygon. That's what makes your difference between convex and concave.